What's up guys, welcome to another edition of Toy Friendly Unboxed, where we feature the hottest toys in the market today. And before anything else, thank you so much for watching our videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and please hit that notification bell for announcements on future unboxing episodes. So right now we have something very cool for you to watch, and this is the Super Shodo BIOMAN from Bandai. This is for all you Super Sentai fans out there. So this is BIOMAN, and here we go. Hello guys, and again this is the Super Shodo BIOMAN set from Bandai. Look at that. It brings back a lot of memories from the late 80s. One of the very first Super Sentais, one of the most popular Super Sentai groups that has ever come to our shore. And yeah, this is a 5-man group, that's why it's Super Sentai. So this is the front of the box. So you can see these are the actual figures, photos of the actual figures, and that's their iconic pose. So on top you have all of the 5 members of BIOMAN, and yeah, again, striking pose there. And on the side, different poses. At the back we get to see accessories, lots of accessories actually. So 5 sets of guns and swords and what have you. And on the other side, of course, Red One, the leader of BIOMAN. At the bottom, you have serial number and a bunch of other stuff here. So this is an authentic Bandai product. So let's open this up. I can't wait to see what's inside. So guys, upon opening the box, we are treated to a bunch of stuff here. Number one, we have of course the team, and these are the figures. These are roughly 4 inches in height. So we have all the characters here, and we also have this instructional sheet, and we have instructions on how to assemble some of the stuff, some of the accessories that go with the figures, and also how to put in the stickers. So there are a lot of stickers here, a lot of stickers, a lot of weapons, and also they have the instructions on how to assemble the ultimate weapon. So very nice. As you can see, we have all of these sticker parts here and swords. We have 2 swords, 2 guns for each character. Ton of hands, and so we have this guns as well, holsters, and they have parts for their ultimate weapon. So I'm not going to be assembling all of them. Let's take a look at what we can put together, so that we'll be able to see the entire group in a dynamic pose. So let's do that, and we'll see BIOMAN soon. So guys, I've finished putting the stickers on Red One, and I chose the sword as a weapon, and for the secondary weapon I chose the gun inside the holster. So as you can see, I put in the stickers here. Very tricky. It's both a chore and a challenge as well, and you have to be careful. Sensitive. The stickers are sensitive. They're very sticky, but you know, once you get the hang of it, it actually molds well with the parts, the body part. But it is very sensitive. You have to be very careful, because I almost ripped the sticker on the forearms. You can see there's a tiny rip there, but it's all good. So this is red one, so let me assemble the others and we'll see the whole gang in a short while. So here it is, guys, assembled and ready with their swords. This is Bioman, Super Shodo Bioman from Bandai. Look at that. Very articulated and about 4 inches in height. So we get red 1, pink 5, green 2, yellow 4, and blue 3. And like I said a while ago, it's both a chore and a challenge to place the stickers for these figures because of its size, and also the stickers are sensitive. It can easily rip, and so you have to be careful in putting or placing them on the figures. But I've chosen the swords. There are also a lot of accessories inside, like I've shown you a while ago. So it's up to you whether you use the guns or the ultimate weapon that they have. That's fine, I mean, but as you can see, these figures are very nice. A faithful rendition of the original Bioman in the 80s. If you're a fan of the Super Sentai show, this is a must-have for you if you're collecting Super Sentai figures. Let's take a quick look at each one of them. So this is green 2. I've always thought that blue was the second in command, but it's green. I was corrected by that. So it's all articulated, and they have the gun accessory here on the side. They pretty much have the same accessories and stickers. They only differ with the colors. And with the sword, they actually have 2 swords, one without the color, and of course this one. It's made out of plastic, but it's sturdy. It's not the cheap plastic. And so they have 2 girls here and 3 boys. Let's check out red one again, because he's the leader. Take a look at the design or detail on the chest. It's very accurate. Even the belt, so you can see, if you could focus on that one. Yeah. And the chest design is accurate based on the show and the symbols. Very cool. So there you go. This is the complete set of Super Shodo Bioman from Bandai. We still have a few stocks of this. Please give us a message and we'll hook you up with the set. This, I believe, retails for 5,500, so very cheap considering the quality, and you know, if you're a big fan, definitely a must-have for your collection. So Super Shodo Bioman from Bandai. and that was our quick unboxing and review of the Super Shodo BIOMAN. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and please hit that notification bell for announcements on future unboxing episodes. And also, please visit our store, which is www.facebook.com/toyfriendly. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.